Hey, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool material right here, and basically what this is a handmade knit blanket that you could basically use as a roll blanket as well. And for this product, they actually have it in a few other colors as well. So they have it in like ivory, they have it in pink, and they also have it in blue. The one that we got right here is the blue color, but let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically actually looks like inside. Eventually it's all nice and compressed inside, and you definitely see that knitted material that they use on here, which is pretty awesome. But let's take it out. Alright, so when we first take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they mentioned how this is their chunky blanket that's hand knitted, and the one that we got right here is a 50 by 60 inch. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. So for this blanket right here, they mentioned how it's supposed to be soft and fluffy. And it also has a reversible design. And for this product, you can definitely throw it into the machine to wash it and dry it as well. But for this specific blanket that we have right here, they mentioned how you should probably get like a mesh laundry bag to actually wash it. So that way you guys don't have to worry about like damaging the material that's on here. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually take it out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, this is basically actually looks right here. Let me actually unravel it to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically actually looks like. If you can see the middle part right here, it's actually sagging down a little bit. And that's because this is a handmade knit blanket. So that's totally normal for that to actually happen. But if you can see, this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. And like I mentioned, it is a reversible design, so if you guys want to flip it the other way, you can flip it to this side, use this side as well. But definitely this roll blanket is pretty big. It should definitely give you guys a good amount of coverage when you guys actually use it. So whether you guys want to use this on your bed, or you guys want to use this on your sofa, or if you guys want to use this on your chair, however you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. But if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to throw it in the machine to wash it before you guys actually use it. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it feels really soft and very fluffy as well. But that is basically everything that's on right here. So I'm actually go wash and dry this first, and then we'll test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we just finished washing the blanket right here. Let me actually test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like. So you see when I actually put it on, it definitely gives you guys a good coverage from top to bottom right here. And literally once we actually put it on, it actually feels really nice and really soft and fluffy. And it literally feels really warm like immediately. You don't have to wait too long for it to actually heat up, which is pretty awesome. So if you guys want to use this side or the other side, that is up to you guys. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys set it up. So another way to actually use it is by doing this. So instead of like lying down, you guys actually sit down like this and put your feet out if you guys want to as well. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys actually use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product. Definitely see that actually does work and actually works quite well. As long as you guys have one of those mesh laundry bags to actually wash it, then you should be fine. But see when you actually use the product, it definitely looks pretty nice. It definitely gives you guys a good coverage from top to bottom to actually give you guys that warm feeling on here. And you guys also get like that fluffy and soft feeling like I mentioned as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Not the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality handmade knit blanket that's used for any situation. Especially during the winter season when it's actually much colder. That's where one of these comes in handy. Actually looks very nice as well. So if you guys are trying to look for a handmade knit blanket that's very similar to this one right here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.